karon mga kanegosyo sa bird show. Ilang stage ay. Kami ilang malanggam kung nagbuutan ilang malanggam.
Gentlemen, good afternoon. How's everybody doing today? Are you all good? Good, alright. Now ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy as our fine feather friends give us awesome trick. Miss Debbie, to welcome our blue and gold kaau named Lingaw. Now Lingaw originated from South America and he inhabits in the rainforest of Brazil. And Amigo is a very responsible bird. He likes to see his environment clean. Now we have here our sample trashes. As you can see, he picked up a plastic cup, open the big buddy, drop it inside. Good bird. Next one, Amigo. Here you go. He picked up the empty can. Okay, you can do it, buddy. Can you do it? Okay. He picked up the can, open the bin, and drop it inside. Last one, buddy. How about the crumpled paper? We can see it everywhere. He picked up the paper, open the bin, and drop it inside. A powerful beak that it can craft a hard shell nut. Now, in the wild, they can live 70 years, and in captivity, they can live up to 80 to 90 years. Alright, well I guess we're going back home to get more food. A round of applause for Flying Pacos. You wanna know why? Why? Well, it's because Jumbo loves to go to school. To the bird school. Alright, now we prepared 2 tests for Jumbo, but first let's have the spelling test. Now I have here 5 animal pictures. The horse, the tiger, the snake, the zebra, and the camel. Now I want you to choose one animal picture, please. Sorry? Tiger. Okay, let's have the tiger with Mr. Charles. Okay, well, Mr. Urban is preparing the Jumbo letter. Let's have a short interview with Miss Debbie. Hi, Miss Debbie. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh, that's great to hear. Now, Miss Debbie, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
Oh, that's quite far, but I guess he likes to stay in the Philippines because he's been with us for 6 years already. Alright, look at the picture carefully, Jumbo. What is the spelling of a tiger? First letter, buddy, he picked up the letter T. How about the second letter, Jumbo? Or the second letter, he picked up the letter I, big bird. Now for the third letter, that's the letter G. Alright. Okay, we're down to the fourth letter, Jumbo. He's thinking. What is the fourth letter of a tiger? Is it letter P? Oh, that's the letter E. Alright. Okay, now for the last letter, Jumbo. Last letter, he picked up the letter R. Now tiger spells T-I-G-E-R. Is it correct? Yes, but I think it's too easy for Jumbo. Now let's make it more difficult. Now after the spelling test, we will be having the mathematical test. Now let's have an addition. Now I want you to choose 2 numbers from 1 to 10. First number, please. Side down to his body end and green wings. And the outside figure appear more olive green in color. And Bunny is a very social friend. Social bird. So he made a lot of friends at home. So after he finishes food, he will come back home to call his friends. Okay, Mom, I want you to be ready. Please stretch your arms. Please don't move and don't touch the bird, okay? Alright. I guess Bunny is enjoying his food. Ready? Smile at it. Okay. Well, I guess Bunny is enjoying somebody. Alright, Bunny, ready to call our friends? Alright, now everyone, I wanted you to meet our group of senators, Bunny's friends. Come on out, buddy. Hey, what are you doing? You're supposed to go to the place. Well, I guess we're having a great time. Hi, Mom. Please turn off the flash, Mom. Can you turn off the flash now, please? Thank you so much. Buddy, ready? Okay. Well, I guess you need to come up here stage and bring a money. Please bring a peso bill. So I need 500 or 1,000 peso bill. Okay, here you go. Now please go up here stage. So here in Cebu Safari and Adventure Park, we don't force our birds to perform. So they have Rudy, come on buddy. Now Jumper and Amazon Park is the most commonly hands-on due to its talking ability and playfulness, right, Miss Jihan?
That's right. And Mimi is a representative bot give her every day.
Okay, now let's do. Can you say hi, buddy? Sorry, we got a little confused. Can you say hi? Say hello, buddy. Hello. Okay, now Miss Jian, I've heard that these birds, they can also mimic other sounds of an animal. Is it true?
Yes. They can mimic a different sounds of animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog, and also mimic a telephone ringing in a whistle.
Okay, wow. So let's try the rooster first, okay? Buddy, what's the sound of a rooster? Again, buddy, rooster. Okay, buddy, that's a cat. Again, what's the sound of a rooster? Good bird. How about cat? How about dog? Ready? Can you bark? All right. Buddy, how about telephone ringing? Okay, good bird. Now, can you whistle? Wow, good bird. Now, Miss Jen, I've also heard that these birds are very talented. They love to sing.
Yes, they love to sing, but before you sing, you need to have a warm-up first.
Wow, they need to have a warm-up just like any other singers do. Our couple bird, Ding and Dong. Now, settlers are monogamous type of birds. So monogamous, that means they will only have one partner for a lifetime. And when their partner dies, that's the time they will find for another mating partner. Now, in the wild, they can live 20 years, and in captivity, they can live up to 25 years. Again, their diet, they love to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. So thank you so much, Ding and Dong. Now, Mom, now, everybody, I want you to meet our another couple bird, Uno and Dos. Ready, buddy? Wow, good bird. Let's make another round. All right. Okay, now a round of applause for our praise so nobody can steal it. Now Miss Debbie has the real food or the real prey because our bird will not going to let go of the lure without an exchange. And as you have observed, Miss Debbie is wearing a thick gloves for the protection of the sharp and large talons of our birds. The white-billed seagull is also called as the king of the sea. They have a white plumage on its head down to its underparts, and its back and wings is dark gray in color. Now their diet, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, birds, and fish. And in the wild, they can live 15 years, and in captivity, they can live up to 30 years. Ready to take off your flight, buddy? Again, please remain seated. All right. Now fly back to the station, my friend. Now, our white bellied sea eagle named Marina. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to seal this moment, we have here our flying lorries all over Australia. Come on, lorries. And to make it more memorable, we have here the symbol of love and peace. Prosperity and harmony, our group of pigeons. We also have our group of scarlet-eyed geese from South America. Come on, buddies. Now, before we totally end our show, let me introduce to you the people behind the success of the show. My partner here on stage, my team leader, Miss Debbie, together with our white-bellied sea eagle named Marina, our bird trainer up there, Miss Gian, Miss Rachel, Mr. Charles, Mr. Nick, bird trainer at the top, Mr. Urban, our sandman, Mr. Ricky, and yours